Susceptibility. Definition: susceptibility is the general quality of the living organism revealing impression and the power of reaction stimuli. Each word defined as he may be defined susceptibility primarily as a reaction of organ to external influence. Stimulus living organism reaction. Susceptibility. Susceptibility is equal to general quantity of all living organisms to receive a stimulus and T react accordingly. Susceptibility and life, susceptibility and health, susceptibility and disease, susceptibility and cure, susceptibility and remedy, susceptibility and postology, susceptibility and suppression, susceptibility and diathesis, susceptibility in constitution. Susceptibility in life, susceptibility in health, susceptibility in disease, increase susceptibility, decrease susceptibility. Susceptibility, normal health, susceptibility morbid or abnormal, increase disease, decrease disease, homeopathic concept of development of disease, suitable circumstance and environment, morbid noxious influence, abnormal susceptibility for some disease, susceptibility and cure. Cure depend on the organism to react to impression of the curative remedy. Susceptibility increase disease, cure decrease similar medicine of disease. Normal health, cure increase similar medicine, decrease disease. Susceptibility and remedy, zigzag. Susceptibility and postology, susceptibility and suppression. Suppression. Susceptibility plus noxious reaction, any stimuli release, cure suppression, manifestation of disease, sign and symptom. Susceptibility in diathesis. Diathesis is a predisposition of certain somatotype to the development of certain disease. Susceptibility and constitution. Constitution, the aggregate of hereditary character in influence more or less by environment which determine individual reaction, successful or unsuccessful to the stress of environment.